All right, hey guys, this is Steve. Want to talk about Christmas that's coming around the corner. 5 top gifts that I think that you should probably get for that loving driver out there. So the first one, right, camera, right? It's there to protect you in case of accidents or any issues that may occur, so you guys can have it for your peace of mind, or even writing it up when you have a report issue. So it's always great to have that in your truck, especially if you're a company guy that has more than one truck, so you can see what's going on the road as well as seeing what's going on with the driver as well. All right guys, gift number 2, right? I think it's a great suggestion, especially if everybody drinks, not a coffee, if not something cold, but get a Yeti or a Stanley or something that's gonna insulate your fluid when you are thirsty at night. Especially if you're like me, I love Mountain Dew. Unless you're a coffee person, these things will be great to keep them cool and hot to keep you awake. The third gift, right? A safety kit. I highly suggest that you guys have these, right? What's in the safety kit, you ask? 1, triangles. Gotta have 3, right? Next one would be your fire extinguisher. Next one would be your fuses, right? Make sure you have an assortment of fuses. I would definitely get a tow hook, especially if you get your truck stuck, maybe on an icy night or on a gravel road, and that, you slide in that differentials just keep spinning even after lock. It's great to have that rope to get you pulled out. All right, and then also maybe a few snacks that will last for quite a while, especially if you're stranded alongside the road. At least you have something to snack on as well. All right guys, gift number 4. I think everybody should have this as well, especially if I'm the kind of guy that works inside the truck. I always see a mess. Get a cab organizer. It can go on your chair, the back of the chair, or sometimes I've even seen it hanging on the back wall. This will keep track of all your papers, your pens, your pencils, even your snacks, wipes, anything you can use it just so you can keep the clutter off the ground and off the seats. And it's actually a great help for the technicians that are working in there, and they're not stepping all over your stuff as well. So I would definitely highly recommend getting an organizer. All right guys, number 5, a slow cooker, especially a low voltage one, right? So while you're driving and you want something cooking, it would be great that it's in there, contained, right? And it's using the least amount of voltage, so you're not using up all of what you have on your inverter. And not only that, it's just great to have once you pull over, you got a nice tasty snack as well. So this would be a great gift as well. All right guys, so those were the 5 lovely gifts that I would recommend for any driver on the road. You guys have a wonderful Christmas. If you guys have or like what you saw today, don't forget to pound the like button. If you have any questions or concerns, leave a comment at the bottom. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys around next year.